A quick look at some interesting statistics, and 78% of Kenyans are worried that many Kenyans may have COVID-19 but are not aware that they have it. Now, this is according to a poll conducted by InfoTrack Research and Consulting between the 30th of March and the 2nd of April of this year. The report also indicates that more Kenyans trust information on the pandemic coming from Health CS Mutahi Kagwe than when it is delivered by President Uhuru Kenyatta. Now, let's look at some of this data from the 831 respondents in 24 counties. Very, very interesting. And the first ones, we're going to look at those who are worried. Now, 78% say that many may have it, but they actually don't know it. 76% say that they're not making ends meet should pandemic persist. They don't feel that they're going to make it. 73% feel like there's not enough hospital beds to curb large-scale pandemic. 76% feel there's not enough resources to curb large-scale pandemic. That's what they're so worried about, and those are the percentages right there. Now, if we look at something else here about mental health and psychosocial well-being, 82% actually feel they're very, very anxious and very, very stressed. 60% feel confined and trapped in their homes. 65% feel very, very confused. 38% of those who are asked this question say they're having a hard time sleeping at night and struggling with insomnia. 46% of them are feeling helpless. They don't feel like there is anything that is going on for them. So that's what they're actually feeling, very, very helpless. Now, looking at now the trust issues. Now, this is where it becomes very, very interesting, because a number of them feel, and this is 87%, feel that Health CS Mutahi Kagwe is doing a good job and they feel like they can trust him. Now, 85% they trust President Uhuru Kenyatta, with 82% looking for TV and the information that we are also giving out. 77% are trusting radio and 70% are trusting governors and county officials. Now, those are the ones that, those are the numbers there where Kenyans feel like they trust a lot on the pandemic information and how it's being gathered. Now, let's go straight to some other statistics here. Now, Kenyans and COVID-19, who is doing an excellent job here? Now, for President Uhuru Kenyatta, they feel he's doing an excellent job. Health workers are also doing an excellent job. The Ministry of Health and CS Mutahi Kagwe and the other officials are also doing a brilliant job. And then, of course, the media is also doing an excellent job. So this group here is doing things okay. Now, let's go to another group here where Kenyans feel are doing an average job. Now, we have at least 5 groups here. The religious organizations Kenyans feel are doing an average job. Ministry of Interior, led by CS, then there's the government spokesman right there. We have county governments right there, and also the private sector, KEPSA. People feel this group is doing an average job. Now, we want to go to, again, still on the same polls, what Kenyans are feeling. And now, those who feel that the groups that Kenyans feel have done a very, very poor job at what they are doing in terms of COVID-19, they are feeling the judiciary is letting them down, is doing a very, very poor job. They feel the police service is also doing a very poor job. Parliament, the National Assembly and the Senate, they are feeling they are doing a very, very poor job at managing and information sharing of COVID-19. Now, from those statistics and the polls by InfoTrack,